Hi friends, let me show you this new 4-in-1 USB-A 3.0 hub. You get 4 USB-A ports from only one. So you can use it in your computer, in your desktop or laptop to, connect more accessories like a keyboard, mouse, printers, even other hubs. As you can see, you get a 2-feet cable, so you can connect it to your computer and have the hub 2 feet away to be able to connect the accessories. In your computer, you could use any USB port and you could have the connectors over here. So it will be easier, more practical for you. So and it's super slim, super small, so you can bring it with you. So if you travel a lot with your laptop and you need to connect some accessories on the go, or if in your office you want to expand your computer capabilities, this kind of hub will help you to have more accessories connected at the same time to your computer. If you need something like this is a great option for you and your computer work. Thank you.